When you are analyzing data, when you are working with data, it's important to know what you are working with. The data you have is typically made up of metrics and dimensions. Hey there, I'm Yevgen. You are at Marketing Analytics with OWOX BI YouTube channel where we speak all things about marketing, analytics, and data. It's your go-to source for crafting marketing and data strategies that power up your business growth. So if you are about making data, my friend, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the insights to drive better business decisions. In this video, we're going to be looking at the basics of data and marketing analytics, metrics, and dimensions. Before we dive deeper, let's just remind ourselves exactly what metrics and dimensions are. Let's look at each of these types of data points, and then we'll jump into an example dataset and identify them together. First off, let's talk metrics. Metrics are the numbers that give life to your data, measuring and quantifying everything from sales, clicks, to customer engagement. Metrics answer the how many and how much questions. For example, how much revenue did we make? Or how many visitors did our campaign attract? They are always numeric and come attached with aggregators such as sum, average, minimum or maximum to give you a clearer picture of your performance. But not every number in your dataset is a metric. And here's where it gets interesting. While metrics quantify your data, dimensions give it context. Dimensions are the qualitative aspects of your data that explain the what, where, and who. They could be the type of product sold, specific time frame, the region where sales occurred, or the channel driving traffic to your site. Most often, dimensions are textual, but occasionally they can be numerical too. Let's make it practical with an example. Imagine your dataset as a detailed report of an online store's performance. In this report, metrics like number of orders, revenue, and order value are your quantitative data points. They tell you how many items were sold, how much revenue was made, and at what price. But notice how order ID, although numeric, doesn't measure anything. Instead, it differentiates each order, making it a perfect example of a dimension, as well as the other classic dimension, the date. In this example, the order date. To bring this to life, consider a pivot table in Google Sheets showcasing the store's revenue by date. The revenue here is your metric, broken down by the dimension of order date or order month. Without the dimension, you'd have a lump sum of revenue, a figure with no story behind. But add in dimensions, and suddenly you see which days were the most profitable. And remember when I said numbers could be dimensions too. Take order quantity. Typically, it's a metric, but when used to categorize your data in a pivot table, it behaves like a dimension, grouping your revenue by the number of items sold per order. This crossover highlights how versatile and powerful your data can be when you understand the interplay between metrics and dimensions. I'll leave a quick guide to the top 18 most important marketing metrics and KPIs in the description to this video. You can pause this video and grab that guide for free now. So there you have it. Crash course in metrics and dimensions. Understanding these concepts is your first step towards mastering marketing analytics, transforming raw data into actionable insights. Like this breakdown? Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more insights from me and my team here at OWOX. Dive deeper into data analytics with us and let's decode your numbers together.